Description: for those who seek all the qualities of dazzling hair. Benefits: an excellent moisturizer that deep conditions dry hair and scalp. Vegan, cruelty-free. Suggested use: apply to hair starting at mid-length and working through in both directions to the roots and ends. Television Perfect Hair Conditioner. Put a smile on your face. Companion to the shampoo with the same name, Television Perfect Hair Conditioner gives you everything you need for the small screen: body, shine, strengthening, softening, and smoothing. The results: crazy good ratings. Tips, tricks. Good for those who seek all the qualities of dazzling hair. Key ingredients: Juniper Berry Extract. Helps maintain the optimal oil balance of the scalp and adds weightless moisture to the hair. Detoxifies hair follicles and soaks up impurities on the hair and scalp. Glycerin. Helps hair retain moisture by maintaining the moisture balance of hair. Babassu seed oil. Emollient with restorative properties. An excellent moisturizer that deep conditions dry hair and scalp. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the price. R+Co television is fabulous. It gives lasting moisture without weighing my hair down, and I love the scent.